Hello, Team Herbalife. Michael Johnson here. Hey, you guys, for more than 30 years, Herbalife has been a pioneer, leading the way in great nutrition, beginning with Mark Hughes' introduction of our Formula One nutritional shake way back in 1980, and continuing to lead by adding great new science-based products. When you talk about our products, you've seen them work for people time and time again. And today, we're going to give you more confidence than ever, and we're going to give you the answers to these important questions every consumer wants to know. Are the ingredients in the product good for me? Are these science-proven products? Are all the ingredients listed on this label really in this package? And finally, do you know where these ingredients came from? It's all about confidence and trust, and today we will show you why you and your customers can be confident in the quality, safety, and efficacy of our Herbalife products. It all comes down to our Seed to Feed initiative. We've invested millions of dollars in people, processes, facilities, and technology to guarantee the very best science and the highest quality for our products and complete confidence in our manufacturing and supply chain.
Herbalife's scientific leadership is made up of experts in the fields of nutrition and health from around the world. Dr. David Heber and world-class scientists conduct research and help guide the development of Herbalife products. Herbalife works with the top talent in the nutrition industry, and today you're going to hear from the people in our organization who are responsible for helping ensure that our products are indeed the best in the industry.
Right now, there's a global crisis. There are more overweight and obese people in the world than ever before. What is not so obvious is that many of these overweight people are not getting the nutrients they need. So how does Herbalife address the current crisis? Well, at the Herbalife Nutrition Institute, we advocate an integrated, whole-body approach to nutrition and wellness. Herbalife develops integrated products with this whole-body approach to nutrition in mind. So all Herbalife products can be used together safely and provide balanced nutrition for the entire body. Herbalife products are based on the tried and true. The product development team starts with the basics of good nutrition and ingredients that provide the right balance of protein, fiber, healthy fats, complex carbohydrates, and other macro and micronutrients. Herbalife doesn't just jump on new fads and trends. Each ingredient used in Herbalife products must be substantiated and backed by significant scientific research and literature. And Herbalife continues to test these ingredients to verify efficacy, purity, and stability. That's how you know that what's in the bottle is good for you.
Many Herbalife products are classified as food products and others as supplements, depending on local laws in each market. Dr. Bill Francos, our Senior Vice President of Global Product Science, Safety and Compliance, helps ensure that we meet or exceed regulatory guidelines for our products around the world. Dr. Francos is an expert in our industry. He worked at the U.S. Food and Drug Administration for 15 years and was responsible for developing and writing most of the guidelines affecting dietary supplement companies today.
The U.S. Dietary Supplement Health and Education Act was passed in 1994. This was an effort to establish comprehensive regulation of dietary supplement products. Since 1994, government agencies have been tightening regulation of pharmaceutical and dietary supplement companies, and in 2007, the United States implemented the Dietary Supplement Current Good Manufacturing Practice, also known as CGMP regulations. Because the United States has the most stringent dietary supplement CGMP regulations in the world, Herbalife manufactures all products to that standard.
Because of these standards, we can assure consumers that the ingredients listed on the label really are in the product and nothing else. With CGMPs, consumers can be confident that the products they're buying are safe for consumption.
To satisfy these CGMP criteria, Herbalife confirms the identity of all ingredients and verifies that they are safe before they are added to any product. We also ensure that the level of ingredients provide the benefits stated on the label.
Nearly 150 botanical ingredients are used in Herbalife products. Because of Herbalife's high-quality standards, it can take up to a year and a half to screen potential ingredient suppliers. We provide suppliers with ingredient specifications and test numerous samples before deciding whether to make a supplier part of the Herbalife family. Once a reliable ingredient supplier is identified, in-process testing guarantees that every product always meets CGMP standards.
With in-process testing, we guarantee the purity and potency of an ingredient from the time it comes from the fields through manufacturing, packaging, and distribution. We make sure the levels of vitamins and minerals meet our label claims, and we rigorously test for yeast, mold, bacterial impurities, and environmental contaminants.
New Herbalife products also undergo months of stability testing before they are released to the market. One of the reasons we do this is to determine the appropriate shelf life of the new product. During stability testing, samples are kept in chambers that are calibrated to match 5 distinct climate zones and are also tested several times throughout the evaluation period to ensure the products meet label claims and remain safe for consumption.
Product stability means that a product will remain suitable for consumption, look and taste as it should, and provide the stated benefits for its entire shelf life, no matter which of the 5 climate zones we ship the product to.
After manufacturing, Herbalife also monitors the environment that finished products are exposed to while in care of the company.
Herbalife has invested heavily in a state-of-the-art temperature monitoring program that surveys the environment where the products are stored and held for distribution. We also monitor products during shipping using data loggers. These devices record up to 4,000 points of climate data. This data, in turn, helps us determine the right shipping method to use so we can guarantee that our product's quality is not compromised when they are sold to consumers.
Our commitment to product safety and quality doesn't end there.
We also have a state-of-the-art post-market surveillance system at Herbalife to monitor any reports about the quality of our products or health effects that may result from using our products. Until recently, this sophisticated system was never used by a dietary supplement company. Herbalife is bringing a whole new level of safety monitoring to the industry and is raising the standard of excellence for the entire dietary supplement industry.
So now that you know that what's in the bottle is good for you and that what's on the label is in the bottle, you're probably wondering, how do we know where our ingredients came from? Well, as you can see, we've been there. Whether it's the tea fields in Hunan, China, the aloe fields in Mexico, or the soybean fields in central Illinois. We know where our ingredients come from and how they're cultivated, harvested, and processed into the raw materials used in our wonderful Herbalife products. It all comes down to strategic sourcing and our Seed to Feed initiative. This strategy is going to help make Herbalife stronger and more competitive than ever before. In the coming years, we will continue to invest in company-owned facilities like our botanical extraction facility in Changsha, Hunan, China, and our manufacturing facilities in Lake Forest, California, and Suzhou, China. This is how we're going to get bigger, better, and go wider and deeper. And remember those questions? Are the ingredients in the product good for me? Are these science-proven products? Yes, you bet they are. Are the ingredients listed on the label really in this package? You can be guaranteed. And finally, do you know where these ingredients came from? You betcha. Now you have all the facts and can answer these questions with the same confidence I have in the quality of our products. Herbalife is simply the best, and this is the best time ever to be a part of Herbalife.